Hair fall making you panic? What if I told you that the best hair care products aren't in your bathroom, but in your kitchen? Watch till the end to learn about 8 Indian staples that can stop hair fall and promote healthy growth. Imagine waking up every morning, looking in the mirror, and seeing thicker, healthier hair. No more clogged shower drains. No more handfuls of hair falling out every time you comb. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that the secret to strong, luscious hair isn't in expensive hair treatments or fancy shampoos, but right inside your kitchen? India has been known for its ancient hair care secrets, passed down for generations. And today, I'm revealing 8 powerful Indian kitchen staples that can stop hair loss naturally and even promote new hair growth. But wait, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest beauty and hair care secrets. And if you're excited to discover these natural remedies, give this video a big thumbs up. Now, let's get started. Staple number 1, Amla, the powerhouse of hair growth. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a true superfood for hair. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, it strengthens hair follicles, prevents premature graying, and promotes thicker, shinier hair. How to use Amla for hair growth. Drink Amla juice daily for overall nourishment. Apply Amla oil directly to the scalp to reduce hair fall. Make an Amla hair mask by mixing Amla powder with yogurt and applying it to your scalp. Staple number 2, curry leaves, nature's hair tonic. Curry leaves aren't just for flavoring your food, they're also loaded with essential nutrients like beta-carotene and amino acids, which prevent hair thinning and breakage. How to use curry leaves for hair health. Boil curry leaves in coconut oil and use it as a scalp massage oil. Blend fresh curry leaves into a paste and apply it as a hair mask. Add curry leaves to your diet by cooking them in curries and soups. Staple number 3, fenugreek seeds, the ultimate DHT blocker. Fenugreek seeds, or methi, are packed with protein and nicotinic acid, both essential for hair growth and scalp health. They are known to reduce hair fall and strengthen roots. How to use fenugreek for hair growth. Soak fenugreek seeds overnight, grind them into a paste, and apply it to your scalp. Use fenugreek water as a final hair rinse after shampooing. Mix fenugreek powder with coconut oil and massage into your scalp. Staple number 4, coconut oil, the timeless elixir. Coconut oil has been used for centuries in Indian households for hair nourishment. It deeply conditions, reduces protein loss, and strengthens hair from within. How to use coconut oil for hair care. Warm up coconut oil and massage it into your scalp before washing. Mix coconut oil with essential oils like rosemary for added benefits. Use coconut milk as a natural hair conditioner. Staple number 5, hibiscus flowers, the secret to voluminous hair. Hibiscus flowers are rich in amino acids and vitamin C, both of which stimulate hair growth and prevent split ends. How to use hibiscus for hair blend. Hibiscus petals into a fine paste and apply it to your scalp. Boil hibiscus leaves in coconut oil and use it as a natural hair oil. Drink hibiscus tea for added internal benefits. Staple number 6, onion, the miracle. Sulfur booster onions are rich in sulfur, which boosts collagen production and strengthens hair follicles, leading to reduced hair fall. How to use onion for hair growth. Extract onion juice and apply it to your scalp for 30 minutes before washing. Mix onion juice with honey for a soothing scalp treatment. Include onions in your daily diet for better hair health. Staple number 7, black sesame seeds, ancient hair growth. Secret: black sesame seeds are packed with iron, zinc, and antioxidants, all of which nourish hair roots and prevent premature graying. How to use sesame seeds for hair growth. Eat a handful of sesame seeds daily for stronger hair. Use sesame oil as a hot oil treatment. Add sesame seeds to your smoothies or meals for internal nourishment. Staple number 8, aloe vera, the scalp soother. Aloe vera is a natural conditioner that hydrates the scalp, reduces dandruff, and promotes hair growth. How to use aloe vera for hair. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and leave it for 30 minutes. Mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil for deep conditioning. Drink aloe vera juice for internal hair nourishment. So there you have it. 8 powerful Indian kitchen staples that can naturally prevent hair loss and give you the thick, healthy hair you've always dreamed of. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Envelish for more amazing hair care and beauty secrets. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay healthy, bye!